and they are also free to use in itself. So this is not variation, and a lot of variations with kaleidoscoping, like effects. It's more visualization like that, and you have also a lettering, texting with this more neon, the Happy New Year element. I putting out for a moment my logo so you can see better this lighting, neon lighting effects of the Happy New Year thing, so you can use that for free. And now I put in also off for one moment that frame. But I implemented now two compositions, and one is for framing and this one is for framing. Is the difference is just that here is the most things are in this zoom here, in the zoom range. I changed a little bit that it came inside of the frame, everything. And now I started again the backgrounds. Here in the next layers you have different backgrounds what you can use for your event. I put in down that motto, scribe in that motto texts, and so you can see the background, the difference. You can also use less backgrounds, and you can use brighter backgrounds, more shiny backgrounds, or you can combine that with some other ones. You will see that I do also when you animate that thing. It does also some oh, I don't know what it happens for one moment. Here you can see an effect, a standard effect from Resolume itself. When we putting down the backgrounds away and just have these letters, you can see also this effect here. It's called the sparkles, and I use these sparkles in also in the Merry Christmas collections. You can put it off and on, these sparkles here. I think I don't put it in. You can put it in for yourself, but it's also in here also. So you see, you have this text letters, the motto of the party or of the holiday events they coming up now. You have this different frames for that holiday emblems and styles, and you have the main plugin in very different option settings, so you can start very fast to play out a show. You can do with only this small 3 or 4 plugins and backgrounds a whole night show. It's no problem, I think so. So it's very compact also you show when you use only that one, but you can also mix in and put more clips in of your own clips and stuffs for your Christmas or New Year Eve show. So have a lot of fun, and I wish you, like it stands here, a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. All the best in the New Year, and have a good party, and don't forget to do what I do in the last now. Set the logo in the right place and everything. So we go back to your main things. And I wish you really nice holidays. Bye bye. See you next time.